Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you how to use the Pace University classes system, since there are some people who don't really understand how to use it. So let's take a look very briefly together. So when you go into the Pace University course or landing page, this is what you should see. Okay. And if you click on every week, there'll be some content. Now I have content for weeks 1 and weeks 2. I'll be putting up content for week 3 later. But for example, for week 1, you click on week 1, and you should be able to see 3 videos, or the video, and then once it loads, you should be able to play it. Welcome to Pace University's, like that. Okay. If you go back to week 1, then see pretty much the same document that I had in English, and you can download both the video and the English if you want, and the text if you want to, although hopefully you won't need to do that. And lastly, here is the memorable journey document that goes right here. All right, telling my story. And then you should be able to see this video and read these 2 documents. To the discussion board, go up to where it says activities and click on discussions. And after you click on discussions, you'll see a description for what's due this week. Then click on our memorable trip vacation journey. Click here. And again, you'll see the instructions. You'll see then what your classmates have written. And basically you click on the title and you'll see your classmate's story, and then you'll have a chance to reply. And you can see a classmate's reply. If we go back to there again, to add your story, click start a new thread, enter your subject, and then type your story. And then click post. And that's it. To do the memorable vacation journey, to do this week's video, you go down here in a memorable journey and click here, and you'll see, click here, and well, let's see, and then you'll find the movie down here. Great job. Very, very nicely done. And then we'll go here and save the video to here. Then I'll download the video, and then I can play it. Great job. Nicely done. Very nicely done. Now, as far as week 2 goes, 2. Here's a Zoom link. And then this should work. How to tell great stories. If you click on here, the video, hopefully this is going to come up here. It may take a few minutes for it to load, but then it should load fine. And then you can just click play.
First came into storytelling from my
Then it should work.
grandfather. He would tell me stories about our family.
Like that. That's all. Then that's how you can watch it. I hope that's answered some of your questions. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me, or please send me a WhatsApp message. That's the fastest way to reach me. And I will send you all my WhatsApp contact. For now, it's 203 206 7331. And if you look at the subtitles, you should be able to see it. Once again, that's 203 206 7331. And I look forward to meeting you all tomorrow night at 6:30, which is Tuesday, September 14th, for our first optional Zoom class. Thank you all. Have a great day.